Dentures are not teeth.
Got it.
They are replacement for teeth. They're never going to feel like your teeth, ever. So it's a prosthesis. It's made of plastic. Some teeth look better than others because it depends on how much you spend, the dentist spends for the teeth. I do not have cheap teeth. Everyone who gets a denture made by me, their teeth look real. I hate when I look at someone and I can tell they have a denture. I love when I talk to someone and they said, let me remove my denture. It's like the biggest compliment for their dentist. Dentures wear, so they need to be relined sometimes. If you lose 5 to 10 pounds, dentures will start to get, flop around or loose, which is why I recommend that. I'll tell you again, this adhesive dent, because that helps. It helps better than any other adhesive you've ever tried. So it's worth the money, believe me, and people should know that. Dentures could also break and chip if you drop them or if the caregiver drops them. And please know that if you drop your denture and you have the pieces, it's easy peasy to fix. If you try to do it yourself and there's stuff in this pharmacy that says repair your own denture or reline your own denture, once you touch that, any good dentist will not touch it again, because now we know we can never fix it perfectly. But if you have 3 pieces that are broken or 2 pieces, you just call the dentist and you have them pick them. If you go to the dentist, go to the dentist. If you need someone to come to your house like me, I go there. If I'm missing a piece, the game isn't definitely over, but it's not easy peasy and it will cost you a lot more to repair. If you break a clasp off of a partial denture means you have some teeth and other teeth, the clasps onto your teeth, and then the fake teeth are in the front, so it's a partial denture, exactly what it sounds. A complete denture means you have no teeth. But if you break a clasp, that also can be repaired. The only thing that I hear all the time that I can't help you with is when you flush the teeth down the toilet. That's a big problem. But just know the dentures aren't meant to last forever. You really should only wear a pair of dentures for 10 years. The teeth wear out. You could always change the teeth, which people don't know about. If you love the way your denture fits, we can change out the teeth, no problem. And that's something that no one wants to talk about, because dentists would rather make you a new one than to just change the teeth. But I do that all the time. If you lose a tooth in the denture, try to save it if you can, if it's in your mouth or it fell on the floor. But if you can't, no problem. That also is such an easy fix. So there's so many things that you can do with your denture as long as you don't try to do them yourself. Don't crazy glue that tooth in. Do not. Well, I'll tell you, if you don't sleep with them, they last a lot longer. But there are a lot of couples where I promise you, the husband doesn't know the new wife, probably a second wife, has dentures and vice versa. So the more you wear them, the more it wears on your bone, which is holding the denture in. So if you can take them out at night and soak them, Dr. Berlands makes a great soap. He actually makes this cup with a vibrator where you pour the solution in. That's great too. But if you can keep them out of your mouth from the time you get in the bed till the time you wake up, that really will hold your denture viability a lot longer. You will be able to wear them longer because you wear your bone, and when you wear your bone, they start to get loose.